Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's My with Miss Wagashi TV. On today's episode, I will teach you how to make sakuramochi, one of the most popular springtime treat in Japan. As a preparation, soak the pickled sakura leaves in water for 30 minutes to remove excessive salt. Place Domyoji powder in a microwave-safe container. Domyoji powder is a rough flour of cooked sweet rice that is dried and broken into smaller pieces. It is a popular ingredient for sakuramochi and available in Japanese supermarkets. As a substitute for Domyoji powder, use regular sweet rice to make the outer layer of sakuramochi. Add hot boiling water, small amount of food color, and stir. Cover it with plastic wrap and leave it for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, round the bean paste into balls. These balls will be used for the filling. After 5 minutes, microwave for 2 minutes. Then add sugar, stir, and cover it with plastic wrap again. Set it for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, divide the dough into 3 and place one portion on the center of plastic wrap. With a spoon, flatten the dough into a circle. Wet your spoon when you spread the dough. Place the filling on the dough. Then, wrap the dough around the bean paste filling. Pat dried sakura leaves and place on the plate. Serve the mochi on a leaf and make incisions on top. Place a strawberry on top. The sakuramochi is complete now.